Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Tanmai's Experiments. In today's video, I am going to show you how to play and install a game known as Johnny Trigger. First, for installing it, open Play Store. Now, go to search and search Johnny Trigger. So the first game itself, friends. See, this is the game. They have even given us a video to show how to play, means for us to learn. Now press on install button. So it's installing. 15% is installed. Now it's 30%. It takes 78.46 MB space from our device or the system, whichever we are using, friends. See friends, the game is installed. Now press on the open button. Follow the white pointer so that it will be easy for you to observe. It's from Say Games by S-Toy, friends. So the game name is Johnny Trigger. It will ask us to subscribe or take VIP membership. That's of your choice. If you want, you can subscribe, or it's not required. If not required, you have to press on the white button on the top corner. So here it's asking us to accept the rules and regulations. So I accept, press on I accept and then OK. Now tap to play. See friends, you will get 6 bullets. You have to tap on the screen when the red light points on the robbers. So you have to tap on the screen. So the first level is completed. For the new outfit, 35% is there. Now tap on next button. So the next level is started. I will show you till boss fight. So this is the second level. You have to shoot on each and every robber or else then you will be out in this second level. So even if you're out, it will get continued from the previous checkpoint itself, friends. So yeah, the second level is also completed. Now let's go for the third level. For the new outfit, 45% is completed. Now tap on next. So it's loading. Yeah. Now tap to play. See friends, here you will get all the outfits, ultimate, base, classic, everything. And here you will get all the pistols, submachines, everything. Kind of guns. So there you will get no ads, bundles and VIP subscription upgrade. So I don't need any VIP subscription. So I came back. So see friends, again I got 6 bullets. I'm shooting the robbers and they are died. So 1, 2, 3. Shoot. Third level is also completed. Now tap on next. The same way you have to do all the levels, friends. In this fourth level, let's see whether I'll win or no. So till here I have shooted all the robbers. Checkpoint. Here. Oh no, I missed one robber. So level 4 is failed. So here it will again continue from the checkpoint itself. Now you have to tap to play as usual. See, it continued from the checkpoint. And now I shooted the robber. See, other 2 robbers are also shooted. This is the gun store. We don't have enough cash to buy the guns. If there is an ad, then we can press on the free. But there is no ad. See, it seems that there is no ad. So I'm going to exit the shop. I'm still trying. There is no ad. So exit shop. Now press on next. So it's loading. This is the boss fight, friends. In this there will be only one robber and it is very difficult to shoot him. He'll be the strongest. It we can keep loading the guns. You have to tap on the screen when the red light points on the robber. Even he will try to shoot us. We should also keep shooting him till he dies. So I'm still trying. So yeah, he is dead. I won even the boss fight. Now it's asking us to rate the game. That's of your choice. If you like, you can rate the game. Otherwise, it's your wish. Press wrong. I don't like to rate the game, so I press wrong. So yeah, this is about the game Johnny Trigger. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to Tanmay's Experiments. And comment below in the comment section whether you have won the boss fight or not. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.